I'm in a Mercedes Sprinter. Next to me is a Volkswagen Crafter. Next to that is a Ford Transit. And we're going to have a drag race. I've got all my stuff ready. This is actually my proper voice. This is my video voice that you normally hear, but I'm from the Midlands, I'm from Warsaw, this is how I talk. All right, so look, I've got all my papers. Wait a minute. What's that one doing there? Get rid of that rubbish. Get me Brexit paper. This Sprinter, it has a 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine with 163 horsepower. That VW has a 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine with 177 horsepower. And the Ford Transit has a 2-litre turbocharged diesel with 170 horsepower. All these vans, they're long wheelbase, high top. This and the VW are rear wheel drive. That Ford is front wheel drive. I've got an automatic gearbox, the other one's a manual, might help me out, as might my bottle of pop, essentials for a van driver, and my Ginsters. In fact, I might have a little bit of this now, I'm a bit peckish. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at carwow cars. I'm good to go, I reckon. Come on then, let's do it, mate, come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's a great start. Oh, that Transit's quick. Haha, good old Mercedes. Nothing but the best. Oh yeah. Sprinter by name, Sprinter by nature. Easy win. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes Sprinter did the standing quarter mile in 21.2 seconds. The Ford Transit took 22.6 seconds and the Volkswagen Crafter 23.2 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. I'm just in drive because it's automatic. Those ones, they're in second gear because they're manual. So I'm going to count it in and we're going to see what's going to happen then. It's like you're just about to leave the 30 zone, head out into the national speed limit. Which van can get ahead? Right, guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, kicks down. They're off first because they're manual. Oh, yeah. Come on, Sprinter, you've got to take the Ford. Look at that Mercedes go. I think that's it, guys. You lost. This is a fast-ass van, this is. Let's do one more test. We're going to have a brake test from 50 miles an hour. When we get to the cone, full emergency stop, like we're having to stop quickly for the loading bay. Who's going to be able to drop their goods off? Now here comes the cone. Full emergency stop. Oh no, drop me pop. Look, it's gone all fizzy. Oh, well, it looks like the Crafter stopped in the shortest distance, then a Transit, and last it was me. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Means the Sprinter wins. If you need a van and you want to get to places quicker than other van drivers, get yourself a Mercedes Sprinter.
What do you want to do?
Oh look, it's got Hey Mercedes. Turn the stereo on.
Can you say that again, please?
Set temperature.
What can I do for you?
It's rubbish.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.